Good day. I'm Engineer Ejike Ejuwa. I'm welcoming you to our online tutorial on software development. Kindly watch our tutorial. We shall be looking at creating interactivity, button clicks, and form handling. Instructor/coordinator Engineer Ejike Ejuwa, powered by Machipadoco Global Services. Objective: to teach learners how to use JavaScript to create interactive web experiences by handling button click events and processing user input from forms, enabling real-time feedback and dynamic functionality on web pages. Introduction. In modern web development, interactivity is a key factor in user experience. JavaScript allows us to make web pages dynamic by dictating user actions like clicking a button or entering text into a form and responding instantly without reloading the page. This lesson will focus on handling button clicks and form inputs to give user real-time feedback. Event handling. An event is an action the user takes on a web page, such as clicking a button, typing into a text box, or submitting a form. Button click events trigger JavaScript code when a button is clicked. Form input processing retrieve data entered by the user and responds to it, e.g., validate, display, or use it for calculations. Event listener. JavaScript functions that listen for specific events and run code in response. Real-time feedback. Updating the page instantly based on user actions, improving usability. Coding example. Create a simple form that takes a username and display a greeting when they click a button. Okay, let's move to our coding environment. Then in our .html coding environment, please take notes of this coding on the screen. We have our H2, enter your name. Then we have input type, text ID, name input. Then we have our button ID, greet button, greet me. Then we have our paragraph ID, greeting message. Then we have our script that is linking the HTML and the JavaScript section. Then we'll move to the JavaScript coding environment. These are the code displayed on the screen. Take time to study them. We have constant name input, document.getElementById, name input. Then we have constant greet button, document.getElementById, greet button. So this is the JavaScript code that we are going to use. Study them one after the other. Then when we save our work, then go to our website and refresh it. The web browser, you will see our H2 code that says enter your name. Then in the space, you will see where it is written type your name. Then if I type my name Ejike and click the greet me button, it will display the greeting, hello Ejike, welcome to our website. Likewise, if I change it to, let's say, Njoa, and click the greet me button, it will say, hello Njoa, welcome to our website. This interactivity is found at the JavaScript site where we have our coding. So that is how JavaScript helps you to have interactivity with your web browser. Then you will see that the HTML structure, we have an input field where the user types their name. We have a button, greet me, to trigger the action. We also have a paragraph to display the greeting message. Then we have the JavaScript functionality, get element by ID. It is used to access specific HTML elements. Then we have an event listener on the button, detects when it is clicked. The value property of the input retrieves the user's name. We also have a conditional check if the input is empty. If not, it updates the paragraph text dynamically. The text content property changes the text on the page in real time without refreshing it. So, this is the interactivity of this particular code on the web page. So, in summary, JavaScript can make web page interactive by responding to user events like clicks and form submission. Using event listener, you can detail actions and run specific functions in response. Accessing form input values with .value allows you to process users' provided data instantly. Updating elements dynamically with .text content or .inner HTML enables real-time feedback and a smoother user experience. Watch our next video on JavaScript in action, handling button clicks and forms. We have our learning assignments. Task 1. Implement interactive features. Objective. Add JavaScript to the web page to handle user interactions. Details. Implement two types of interaction, e.g., button clicks or form submission. Use JavaScript to dynamically update content based on user actions. Note: submit your completed code. Submit your completed code via codepen.io. I pinned the codepen link to Task 2 document. Task 2. Debug and document. Objective: ensure your JavaScript code works correctly and explain your work. Details: test and fix any issue in your JavaScript code. Write a brief summary, 200 to 300 words, explaining the features you added and any challenges you encountered. Submit your work to the email address mathematicalglobalservices@gmail.com. gmail.com.
Thank you for watching our tutorial. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, share and comment for one-on-one training on software development and affiliate marketing, or if you wish we build your website for you, kindly contact us on 08036422829. We also partner with Azinonet Limited, African First Digital Contributory Scheme, where we show you how to raise capital for that business of your dream. Thank you. May God bless you all.